protest versus protest on the streets of Maharashtra. The opposition is out protesting the collapse of the 35-foot-tall statue of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Top leaders like the Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray, NCP SP President Sharad Pawar and Congress State President Nana Patole took part in today's protest. And while Uddhav Thackeray has appealed to all Shiv devotees to join the movement on behalf of the Mahavikas Aghadi, the Sena UBT MP Sawant has claimed that those leaders who support the statue collapse are disrespecting Maharashtra and Chhatrapati Shivaji himself.
जनता के भावनाओं को पहुंची, इसलिए हम आंदोलन करना चाहते हैं और आंदोलन होगा। सरकार परमिशन दे नहीं दे, क्योंकि का प्रायश्चित सरकार को लेना चाहिए। इसलिए आज हमने सरकार को जोड़े मारे आंदोलन हम शुरू कर रहे हैं। जनता में यही मैसेज जाएगा कि महाराज का पुतला गिरने के बाद भी बीजेपी आंदोलन करके उपयोग को बचाना चाहती है। ये जो सरकार को जो गलतियां है उसको छुपाना चाहती है, यही मैसेज जाएगा।
What else BJP can do? They want to politicize every subject. This is not the issue to be politicized. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is a identity, is an icon, is an ideal. An idol, you cannot just vandalize it the way you wanted to do it. And for the Shiv Sena chief, Honorable Uddhavji Thackeray, has already expressed his agony about it. There is anguish among Maharashtra because this has never happened, that the statue of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has fallen and shattered to pieces. And therefore the heart is also broken. We are already angry about it, and therefore we thought of to pay homage to him, to pay tribute to the statue of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which is right in front of the Gateway of India.
कोई राजनीति करने की बात नहीं है। ये जो घटना हुई है, ये था जो सबको, जिसको ठेस पहुंची है, सभी को, महाराष्ट्र के लोगों को, महाराष्ट्र के बाहर, देश भर से पूरी जिस तरह से बहुत तीव्र प्रतिक्रिया आ रही है, तो ये हम लोग कर रहे हैं वो इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक वे। दिस गवर्नमेंट शुड अंडरस्टैंड, ये गवर्नमेंट की इतनी बड़ी भूल, जो दुर्भाग्य की बात हुई कि ऐसा कभी होना चाहिए कभी भी। और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जो पूरे महाराष्ट्र के, देश के, पूरी दुनिया के दैवत है, तो इनको इस तरह से जो घटना घटी है उसके लिए हमारा ये आंदोलन हम करके रहेंगे।
Meanwhile, the BJP launched a counter-protest against the MVA over the issue, with leaders of the Saffron Party also protesting in several parts of the state. Here's a ground report for more.
With the fall of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja's statue, the controversy and protests around it seems never ending. Today, the state of Maharashtra will be witnessing two major protests. One by the Mahavikas Aghadi, that is the opposition. Meanwhile, the other will be organized by the BJP. As you can see, we at moment are present at Dadar East location, wherein heavy police deployment is seen. And why is such deployment being done? It is because of this protest, which has been planned out by BJP, which will be planned not only in one location but multiple locations, around 9 locations of Maharashtra, where the protest will be conducted by the BJP and its alliance. This stands in opposition of what the Mahavikas Aghadi's claims are. It is considered to be an anti-protest which has been planned by BJP to counter the allegations, the charges that is being labelled by the BJP. As you can see, a Killa fort has been constructed of resembling Shivaji Maharaj. The cultural folk song narrating Shivaji Maharaj's history is being planned out here, and the party workers are present here with various posters and banners directly targeting the Mahavikas Aghadi senior leaders, be it Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar or Nana Patole or Aditya Thackeray. So this protest is not merely limited to just one location, but around 9 locations, wherein top leadership of Maharashtra BJP will be protesting against the narrative of Mahavikas Aghadi. Meanwhile, Devendra Fadnavis, the Deputy Chief Minister and also the Home Minister of Maharashtra, has ruled out allegations of the Mahavikas Aghadi and has called it a politically motivated protest where Shivaji Maharaja's statue being misused by the opposition, giving importance of the upcoming assembly elections. But what seems like the fueling and protest, which is on continuous rise, even after PM Modi tenders his apology. It seems like the opposition will be using their punches, using this matter, getting among the public of Maharashtra ahead of the assembly election.
ये जो आज आंदोलन हो रहा है पूरे तरीके से राजनीतिक आंदोलन है। इन्होंने महाविकास आघाड़ी हो, कांग्रेस पार्टी हो, कभी भी छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का उन्होंने सम्मान नहीं किया। नेहरू जी ने तो अपने डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया में छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का पूरा अपमान किया। क्या उसकी माफ़ी कांग्रेस पार्टी और महाविकास आघाड़ी मांगेगी? मध्य प्रदेश में कमलनाथ जी ने मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर कांग्रेस ने छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का पुतला बुलडोजर से हटाया, तोड़ दिया। क्या उसकी माफ़ी कांग्रेस मांगेगी?